Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
What's up, YouTube? I know it's past the February date, but we're going to do our end of February recap to see how much yarn I made from the first recap video for the first week. So let's go. So I had changed my mindset of how I made things, and instead of assembling them, I tried to just create everything and see how much yarn I can use, and then we'll just assemble it later. So starting off with the first thing I ended up making after the first video was this. It's supposed to be a two-toned hat. I did the border stitch at the bottom, and I ran out of the first color, and I didn't have any more, so I went to this brown color. So I used a full skein of the tannish beige, and then we went to this brown, which I used about half of. So there's a skein and a half of that for a hat. Moving on to the second thing, I'm trying to make a kitty cat hat, like the cat ear hat. Oh my gosh. So it looks weird because it's not assembled, but so I did a panel of the blue, and then I ran out of the blue, so this is what it's gonna be. And then after I sew it together and form it, it'll have the cat. So in my head, I'm imagining it like, I don't know how to describe it, but the ear part would be multicolored, hopefully. So I used a full skein of blue. This was like the small skein. Was this? Oh, I have these. Yes, I have these. So I don't have it for the first item I made, but I have this for this one. So I used almost two. Black one, it can't fit anymore, but about probably 2/3 of the black, and a full skein of that. Moving on, I made these two scrunchies. I did a weave in the ends for this one real quick, but super cute in my opinion. I think they're cute. Those were like some miscellaneous scraps of yarn, and I had just enough for both of them. This is all I had. The string is kind of long, but that was it. Oh, this was the wrapping for the beige. The brown one didn't have one, but yeah. And then finally, which I've made two shorts on, my very own first sweater. This is very oversized. My idea behind this is puff sleeves. So I did the sleeves very large, and then I'm gonna put a cuff at the bottom so that it gives that like bubble effect. And so I did two of those, of course. And then the body is of course very large body. You have to envision it, really. You have to be able to envision it, because it won't make sense without it. It's gonna be more off the shoulder, I'm thinking. Bow sleeves. I was debating the cuff at the bottom, and for this I'm gonna make a video on it because I feel like that'd be very fun, so you guys can really see where I'm going with that. This used two skeins. I was so happy. I finished the body, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to find another skein to finish this project like I did the other hat. So two of those, I was so happy I had another one. I was like, oh my goodness. So we have two skeins for this sweater. Two more for the kitty cat hat. Oh, wrong ones. Two smaller skeins for the kitty hat, two-tone kitty hat. We use 1.5 skeins for the beige and brown two-tone hat as well. Beanie. And then two miscellaneous balls like the size of this, scraps to make scrunchies. So overall, the first video I think was about, oh my goodness, should have tallied this up. I think it was about 5-ish skeins in the first video, and then this one it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6.5-ish skeins. So for the month we're about at 11 and a half skeins. That's not bad. I hope you guys enjoyed. I've already been trying to but also not trying to give in to buying more yarn, because someone was having a sale and I wanted to get some more, but I told myself I'm not until I use up at least 2 cubbies worth of yarn, and there are 8 cubbies of yarn, plus the bucket that I showed you guys previously. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing an assembly. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to look out for newer content. So like I said before, my short, I have a category or like an umbrella of things, so it's not just going to be crochet. Sewing is going to be in there, gym life is going to be in there, vlogs, because I always want to do vlogs. Vlogs are fun, bring you guys along, just building a community and just having fun. So yeah, I will see you guys later. I think I might try and do another challenge. Let me know a challenge you guys are interested in. It can be crochet wise, because I'm still gonna be tackling this yarn, and I bring yarn with me like everywhere. I hope you guys enjoy your morning or night, whichever time it is for you when you see this video, and I'll get back to you later. Bye.